Hey guys, if you're looking for some type of small flashlight, this is one I highly recommend you check out. This is the Baton 4 from Olight. This is a great little small flashlight. I really like it, and I want to show you guys a lot of different features about it, and show you all the stuff that I have discovered and what I like about it. So number one, just looking on the outside, I like that it has this clip. You can do multiple different things with it. You can clip it like on your hat. It has a regular clip, and then it also has the reverse clip as well. So it has two, so whichever way you want to clip it, so if you want to clip it this way on something, or if you want to clip it back the other way, you can do that as well. It has two different clips, which is really nice. Also like the grip dimple kind of grab little feature right here for your hand to be able to hold it. You're not going to have like a slick grip, and it's not going to slide or anything like that. Also, you charge it right here on the bottom. There's a little charger. You just stick it on there and it charges. Another cool thing is it is a magnet, so you can stick it on different stuff when you're using it. Maybe you're trying to work on stuff in your car, or you're camping, or stuff like that, and you just have something you want to clip it to while you're working in the room. You can do that as well. And then it's really small. I like that as well. It's definitely something you could use for like an everyday carry. Also, right here on the outside, it shows you what light it is, and I'll show you has like a low, medium, and high, and I'll show you that in here in a second. And then it also has the battery power. It tells you where you're at on your battery, if you're really high, if you're really low as well. So really cool option for that one. But those are the cool features I like on the outside. I do want to show you the lights themselves. I actually have all of the instructions because sometimes I do forget about which lights and how many things they have. So a lot of different features on this. Number one, I like if you hold it down, you have the moonlight. I mean, this is really dim. Hopefully you can even see it on the camera. It's super dim. I think this is cool because you could use this, like if you're hunting like myself, a lot of times you can use it for a really dim light, and it's not gonna light up the sky or light up where you're at. You could use this to kind of check some stuff really quick, and it's not gonna do anything. Or if you want to have something in your tent or whatever, you can have this, just clip it up, and it'll actually run for a long time because it's not using a lot of light. One thing as well, if you get one of these and it's not working, make sure you open it up. There's a little clip thing in there that actually stops the battery from being used, so it's kind of when it travels and all that stuff like that. So just remember that as well. Somebody might have forgotten that, myself. But a couple other features on this. So you got that. You can also do the lock and unlock. So if you lock it, see it goes to lock mode right there, kind of bypasses the moonlight, and now it's lock mode. So even if you touch it, nothing happens, it doesn't go. So you have to hold it down for another second, then it'll go to the moonlight mode. So now it's ready. So again, if you don't want your kids messing with it, or you don't want it to go off in your backpack, you can do that as well. So it's going to make sure that it doesn't go off. Then another cool features, you have turbo mode, and so that's just pressing it down twice. So you see right here. So again, you can see how bright that is. Goes right to turbo mode, really bright, really strong. Don't want to show you guys too strong in the camera because I don't want to blind y'all, but that's a really cool option for that little really cool design as well. So you can turn that one off. Then the next one is just the strobe mode. I want to show you guys this. So again, you get the strobe. Hopefully that doesn't affect anyone, but you got the strobe. So in case for safety purposes or any kind of thing like that, you could use that as well. Really cool device and option for that one. Then when you just turn it on like regular, if you just hold it down, it goes medium, low, high. You can kind of see that medium or low, medium, high. So you see the medium, low, medium, high. So it just kind of alternates back through there. And like I said, on the faceplate, it actually shows you which one you're in. So if you're wondering, hey, which one am I in? It will tell you which one you've got going on. So really cool function. It has a bunch of those options all mixed together. It has the moonlight, turbo. It has the safety mode as well with the strobe. Then it has low, medium, and high. And all different types of features with those intermixed as well. And so I think it's a really cool little flashlight. I'm definitely going to use this for hunting. I think it's great because you can just throw this in your pack or keep it in your pocket, how small it is. But there's so many different features of this and so many different use cases. Make sure, again, it is charged. If you're ever using these rechargeable flashlights, that's a big deal. But I like how small it is. I like all the cool features. I like the clip. It's really strong. It's going to do a good job. Also, I love that it shows you how much battery life, so you're not worried about that. And again, overall, I think this is a great little flashlight. So if you're looking for some type of small flashlight, highly recommend you check this out.